Hey guys, so I'm at Paharganj and I know that you guys asked me to do a vlog when I'm in Paharganj. So we have shops like these. This particular one is really nice. It has all the copper and all of the images. This is the place where I get my shoes from. Wait, oh, this one. They have a white Christmas tree. Hey guys, I'm at the Malls of India. There's some event here by Kiehl's. I'll show you around. I generally don't go to a lot of events anymore, but well, right now I am. Hey guys, so I'm in. No, okay. Just be there. Just be chill. Just be casual. So I'm inside the Keel store, and Soumya told me a lot about what particular section is for what. So I'll just show you guys what sort of products are here. So this one, as Soumya just told us, is the original formulation. So all of these are the ones that have been there for over 100 of years, and people have loved them. And then here we have the ultimate hydration. So all of this is for sort of like drier skin. Here you have dermatological solutions. So these things are the things that you can use and not go to a dermat, essentially. And here we have the favorites and whatever is in those favorites. Again, here we have the children's section. This is my favorite because it's so cute. And here we have the men's favorites. They have one particular section just for shaving. They have the anti-aging one, the oily skin, and yeah, they have this thing which is really cool for dudes because they don't want to use a lot of products. So this is just like one product for everything. I mean, at least washing your body. And this is for hair care. This is something I need because I have horrible hair. And again, hair care. This is something that I really want to try. The elixir, focus. Yeah, the magic elixir. And it looks really lovely, actually. Um, and this is the body treatments. This is something that is really cute, guys. Look how cute the packaging is. Corpse creme, they're corpse. Okay, that's really cute. Oh, do you want to see the packaging? Okay, so they actually have their own customized gift wrapping, and this one is really cute. I like all of them. So you can, if you have like any person that you want to gift gifts to, you can always come here and get it like packed and stuff. So now I'm actually going to get a consultation done on my skin, so they can tell me what sort of skin I have, what sort of products I should use. So this is Nick, and Nick is going to help me in deciding what sort of products I should use on my skin, Nick.
Right.
Yeah. So let us start.
Okay, here goes. Like this is a skin barrier test, which will signify the type of skin you have.
Okay.
Yeah. So shall I put?
Yeah. So it goes on one on cheek and one on.
You're right. Creams. As of now, your skin is normal to oily
Okay.
only. So like in the summer, I think you will feel more oilier than the winter.
Yeah.
Right. So this is oil free.
Okay.
It's wonderful.
Okay.
You can continue this on.
Okay.
It's a very light formulation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nick.
My pleasure.
So I have to do curly hairstyles today. That's my niece. I have to do curly hairstyles today, so I'm just using the They're not hot rollers, they're just usual rollers, and I'm air drying my hair. So let's see how exactly what sort of result we can get out of there. So guys, I just opened the curls and this is what they look like. Come out really nice actually. So it is come the down of the fiesta. Early morning sun is creeping through the cracks and doors and shutters. Walking all the children sleeping. La cucaracha, la cucaracha. Twirling round the square we go. La cucaracha, la cucaracha. Shouting Viva Mexico. And I'll try to sing it with the song. So this is the track that we can actually play. All the people that are learning music, this is the 18th track. So we'll just start. Okay. So this is how you sing it. Come the dawn of a fiesta, early morning sun is creeping through the cracks and doors and shutters, walking while the children sleeping. La cucaracha, twirling round the sky we go. La cucaracha, shouting Viva Mexico.
टूटा हुआ है बेटा ये वाला मुझे तो गाना चला दे वीडियो वाला बाबू मुझे तो गाना चला दे अरे यार कैसे टूट गया एक की तो क्लोज अप भाई चलो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू गॉड ब्लेस यू जोर से भैया कर देगा
हितू आप
बेटा आप जोर से मारो इधर आओ यहाँ पे नीचे थोड़ी निकाल दे खेले आप करो
अच्छा पहली को उन्होंने तब ठंडा है ना तब ये गली नहीं खुलना कोई गली में अभी ये पर ओवरफ्लो है
Hey guys, I'm actually recording a video with B Blunt, and I basically created 3 hairstyles that you can have, wear for the wedding season. And this looks okay. Oh, I'm wearing my earrings. This is the first time I'm wearing these earrings. They hurt a little bit because of the mala thing here, but they're pretty cool. So right now I'm doing the second hairstyle, which is the waterfall braid, and today it came out really nice. So I was like, just didn't hanga hona chahiye, when it is actually nice. See, today it came out pretty nice. So today is Makar Sankranti. The thing you hear in the back is my parents talking to my neighbor. I got a new mic and I wanted to show it to you guys because it's amazing and it's an amazing mic. I have to show it to you guys. Come. Look how pretty. I got this in platinum. It's very heavy, guys. Like, seriously, it's really heavy. That was my dad. So it's all metal body, and it's a really cool mic. I used it today, and let's see what's the sort of results. So this is what the end result is like. It's extremely sweet and crispy and nom 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 nom.